In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add videos to your website using GoDaddy's GoCentral website builder. Whether you're looking to engage your audience or showcase your portfolio with multimedia content, adding videos can significantly enhance your website's appeal. Let's walk through the steps together. First, you'll need to head over to the GoDaddy website. You can simply open your web browser and type in godaddy.com. Once you're there, take a moment to locate the Sign In button at the top of the page. If you're ever lost, remember that the Sign In option is always prominently displayed, making it easy for you to access your account. Once you've clicked on Sign In, you'll need to enter your login details. After you've successfully logged in, you're directed to your account dashboard. Here, you'll see a list of all your GoDaddy products. Take a closer look and select the website on which you want to add your video. This is an important choice as the steps we'll be following next are specific to the selected site. With your chosen website's page open, find and click on the Edit Website button. This will take you into the website editor where the magic happens. It's a user-friendly interface designed to help you make changes effortlessly. Once inside the editor, look for the Add Section button and give it a click. Adding sections is a great way to expand your site's capabilities with features like images, text, and in our case, videos. In the pop-up menu that appears, scroll until you find the audio and video category. Clicking here will show options related to media content. Among these options, select video. Choosing this will let you add that essential video content you've prepared to grab your audience's attention. Now, you need to have the video URL handy. This could be a link from platforms like YouTube or Vimeo. Go ahead and paste the URL into the field provided. This step connects your website to the video, allowing it to display seamlessly on your site. Once the URL is in place, it's time to preview your work. The preview button gives you a chance to see how the video looks incorporated into your website design. It's your opportunity to ensure that the placement, size, and overall aesthetics meet your satisfaction. If everything looks good and you're happy with the result, the final step is to publish your changes. Hitting publish will update your live website with the video section you just added. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can efficiently incorporate multimedia elements into your website, elevating its engagement and interactivity. With practice, navigating and editing with GoDaddy's GoCentral website builder becomes second nature. Thanks for tuning in.